Whether I like this name, whether I don't like this name, whether this name has anything to do with me or not, who cares? They gave me this name.
Yeah.
And after some time, you get habituated into that one. You have one, like a shisha bar and like take अपने घर पे दीवार पे have a mini bar in your home.
Yeah.
You have that lifestyle. You have those things, and one fine morning, hell comes to meet you like that only.
Right.
Because we are always looking for one answer, and the moment we are getting the answer, it just gives birth to their next questions and nothing else.
Why is it always that? Well, I've seen in most scenarios, why is it always that we have to go through the darkness and then we come in the search of light? Why is it not कि हम लोग पहले से ही वो light को accept करके उसको follow करें? Our second episode is with Mr. Tomojit Ganguly, and I would say he's the perfect person who's experienced both a metro city and now a yogic life. He's a Ashtanga teacher, a sound healer, a Kundalini teacher, and he also is a tarot card reader. ये पॉडकास्ट में काफ़ी सारी ऐसी बातें हुई है जो मैं इंट्रोडक्शन में आपको नहीं बता पाऊंगी. So, without further ado, let's get into the video. Namaste Tomji, thank you so much for agreeing and being part of our video. We have took this opportunity to go ahead and try our best to educate as much as we can, and I really think you're an ideal person, the perfect person who can give us a lot of knowledge, especially because हमारी जो conversations previously हुई हैं उससे I feel like you've always invoked some or the other question from within me during that. आप कोर्स सिखा रहे थे, हमारा एक दो बार भी बात हुआ है आई थिंक, एंड उस एक दो बार में भी आई हैड विद द कॉन्वर्जेशंस वर वेरी सिंपल येट वेरी डीप दैट कहीं ना कहीं इट लेफ्ट अ क्वेश्चन विद इन मी, एंड आई वाज ऑलवेज कहीं ना कहीं वो आफ्टर दैट question I was getting some self answers. So I think it will help a lot of viewers, and it will clear out some very basic thoughts. How I want to start this, I want to ask and know about you. आप कहाँ से हैं, आपने कहाँ से schooling करी है, and how did you happen to get into sound healing? You are also a Kundalini teacher, as we know, and there's a lot of other few things you do. So I think it'd be better if you could tell us a little about yourself first.
Now it's directly I'm going into something which is actually so tough for me. Because now if you are asking me some questions about like spirituality or anything that we don't find the normal answers to, those are much easier for me. Telling something about me is actually so tough because you're asking me to recall something I don't want to be attached with anymore.
Okay.
Right? Okay. And the fact is, like, you can say a normal thing like I was just studying.
Okay.
I got in medical. I studied for 2 years. I dropped out because I didn't like the blood and all those stuffs. Then I got in the NIT.
Okay.
I got a pretty good rank and got in a nearby, like the Jadavpur University I got, and I completed my computer science. Then I worked with TCS, Wipro, all the MNCs and bloody shits like
wow.
that.
That's a major shift.
You know, actually not that amazing. It's like the very basic thing people try to do.
Yeah.
The moment you are born, you are given an identity by somebody which you are actually not. Like suppose you are calling me Tomojit. Who are people actually to give me this name?
Yeah.
Whether I like this name, whether I don't like this name, whether this name has anything to do with me or not, who cares? They gave me this name. They gave me the Hinduism. They gave me the nationality of the Indian.
Yeah.
All this, and which I don't feel like it's even a real thing.
Mm-hmm.
All of these things are something hypothetical, like the God is. Some people ask, who is God? Who is that bloody person over there? I can just answer them. What is India? What is Hinduism? What is this? All other things. All of these things. Some people made some rules. Some people made some norms that we are all like implied onto us.
Yeah.
And we are just following that thing out of the social norms and everything.
Right.
And the very fact is like I was also going through that matrix only, the same matrix, but it's like that. What happens like at the age of like say 23, without any mortgage or loan, I got my own flat near the airport, getting a good salary, not too much, but okay, good for a person. And like then no loans, just job, and you and your friends, you know what kind of toxicity can come while you are living in a metro city.
Yeah.
And after some time, you get habituated into that one. You have one like a shisha bar and like cake अपने घर पे दीवार पे. You have a mini bar in your home.
Yeah.
You have that lifestyle. You have those things, and one fine morning, hell comes to meet you. Yeah.
Okay.
And then people try to look back where the whole thing actually started to go wrong, or maybe sometimes there is no options and people have to go through the healing thing. And sometimes throughout this healing path, you try to notice something about yourself, that these are some of the things that you used to read about. You used to, like, I had Sanskrit as my language, additional language, being a science person. I love Sanskrit, so I used to read all those stuff while I was a child, and my dad was also a study enthusiast and everything. And like, I was also reading things, and now I'm trying to understand. I have been like trying to get those meanings, and slowly through my own healing process, I started to realize, and maybe like on the time of my Kundalini yoga training,
Yeah.
like I think I've told you earlier,
Yes, you did.
and it's kind of like the moment you start to notice about yourself, the moment you start to know yourself, one day you become the answers, and you are no longer looking for any more questions or answers. Because, like you said one time, a few moments back, like, I'm gonna settle down with my questions, try to find my questions. You're gonna ask me a few questions today, or previously also whatever talks you
Yeah.
had with me, it all invoked the questions, because we are like that only.
Right.
Because we are always looking for one answer, and the moment we are getting the answer, it just gives birth to their next questions and nothing else. And we always, throughout our whole life, we're just looking behind all the next questions and the answers and the questions and the answers.
Right.
Rather, just try to see, look for the light you have within yourself. That moment, people are gonna come to you. You know the answers.
Okay.
Because you don't need any more questions and more answers anymore.
Yeah.
You become the answer yourself.
This is very beautiful. There's two things that you said in middle, जो कहीं ना कहीं was invoking. And firstly, I want to ask, what is your image of God?
What is my
What is your image of God? What?
God?
Yeah, because कुछ लोग some people are going towards atheism. Some are totally confused. Some are going towards they're into that spirituality zone. Yet sometimes there are things that are negative deeds that are happening, situations that are coming up. जहाँ पे वो the higher up is always questioned.
Yeah, okay.
So what I would like to know, what is your image of God? And then I have another question because that also was in the middle. And I also already had it in my head to ask you.
Okay, so let's start you a little bit. Tell me one answer.
Yes.
What is your image about the dog?
He's a dog.
And
It's a dog. It's मेरे बाबा का
okay,
वाहन.
that is something straight.
Yeah.
Okay, and
And
yes, when you see a dog, do you only feel about the weight of Baba?
no, I immediately I love animals, so I obviously feel the urge to pet them,
Okay.
to feed them. if अगर कोई शॉप आसपास है तो पहले मैं बिस्किट्स खिलाऊंगी फिर मैं पेट करूंगी. It's the immediate,
Why?
because I feel compassionate towards them.
Right. And
And
there is something more that happens inside you. Why you feel compassionate? Why you feed? And what happens when you feed that animal?
after I feed is satisfaction
Right. Number
and bliss.
number two.
Before I feed, all I feel is compassionate. All I feel is कि I don't know. I feel like उनको करना चाहिए feed. They're on the streets, like mostly the street dogs. I don't feed the
So
dogs.
you
who are-
feel a certain amount of satisfaction because of a fact. The moment you either pet them or you feed them, the happy hormone inside your brain starts to secrete.
Yeah,
All right.
yeah.
Just look. बस पलट दो ना. Same ही तो है God.
Oh, okay.
Yes.
But
It's
Going a
something
little-
that waxy still because you have petted it.
yeah,
It might be something superior which we are creating only for our benefits,
okay.
nothing specifically. Because it's already inside us. That is something inside us which we cannot tame.
Right,
Dog is something we have already tamed.
right.
This one we cannot tame.
Yeah,
So he, out of compassion, out of happiness, or to get the happy hormones, he actually feeds us, he actually pets us, and sometimes he actually kicks us out of the house. Isn't it?
right. True.
That's it.
In between, you were telling that आपको you don't want to go back to the memories that of the red question and the old part.
Tell me.
So it's very common because I relate a lot to that part. I started my spiritual journey after something very life changing for me as a girl, as a woman. It literally changed my life, and it was bad. It was very bad. It was the baddest a woman can go through. And after that, like उससे पहले भी it was all darkness, and I'll just summarize by that. After that whole situation, yeah, I was equally on that path ki where did I go wrong? Because I was thinking I was going right. I was going right with whatever situations I was trying to take the best decision in that situation, but हमेशा ultimately वो गलत ही जा रहा था. And after that, I somehow found the loop to. Firstly, I came to Rishikesh यहाँ पे, and then after attending the retreat also, it helped me a lot. उससे पहले I started meditation.
Okay.
And meditation was truly how I started my spiritual journey. Why is it always that, well, I've seen in most scenarios, why is it always that we have to go through the darkness and then we come in the search of light? Why is it not कि हम लोग पहले से ही वो light को accept करके उसको follow करें? Like I've seen most people start this spiritual journey after they have been through something that was been stone turning for them. Yeah. So
Can you remember a very well-known stone turning event for every single bloody person in the world? Every single. I'm asking about something common. Can you tell me?
yeah.
Just think whatever comes to your mind. We all go through that one. Something truly remarkable thing.
Death of a person, like a person that is close to us.
Right. Okay, good thing.
Because
Anything else? Not everybody. Suppose somebody who doesn't want to keep any attachment with anybody. He's not even caring about anybody else. Keeps to himself, loves himself or herself. What is the commonmost thing that we all have gone through before starting a journey?
loneliness.
Okay. Okay. Go back a little bit. There also you were lonely, but also you were attached with something. Go back, go back, go back. As like as much as you can go back. Go back to that length. What age are you? What's your age?
I'm 22 right now.
You're 22 right
Yeah.
now. Go back 22 years.
That Griya, when we are into that, in our mother's womb,
Right?
is that because 22 years, if she's 22, I'm 20.
Yeah.
So
So go
20 years back,
everybody, we all of
when we are born,
us, when we are born, we are coming out of some loneliness where we were attached to somebody. We are inside the womb, we were inside some situation. Believe me, nobody have ever laughed while taking the bath. Right? So unless and until you do that trauma, you go through that trauma, taking a bath is like a trauma. Anything people like dying people can laugh out of that. Maybe that person was going through a lot of pain. So I'm actually happy that she's no more or he's no more. Right. But
Right.
tell me one single person who was laughing other than Ravana while taking the bath. Can you remember? Can you name any single person?
no, the first thing we do is cry.
Right.
The first thing we do
So
is
we
cry.
go through that darkness to come out into the light.
Yeah.
So how can you can even like imagine or expect otherwise?
Wow. That was
That's
unexpected.
great. That's actually
That was unexpected.
Being inside over there, being born, you are one of that 10 lakh sperms right now who had made it to see the world right now. And she is the artist who has created you with everything. Everything, and I literally mean everything. Her breath also, she has given you over there. It's like creating art only, nothing else. And when you create a art, when you create a masterpiece, before every masterpiece there is some pain.
Yeah, that's
There are many foodless, sleepless nights. Any artist has to go through if they are willing to create a masterpiece. You are one of that masterpiece, I am one of that, she is one of that.
Oh my god.
They paid that price to get that satisfaction, not the money they get selling off that masterpiece. They just look at that thing the same when the nurse gives the child and they see, wow, you are my masterpiece. That's what comes to a mother's mind. That is the price of that whole thing. That's it.
Wow. Okay, so to sum it up, in your opinion, अगर एक बच्चा क्या बोलते हैं बर्थ ले रहा है तो सबसे ज्यादा पेन उसी को ही होता है.
Obviously, it's not a pain.
Yeah.
I'd rather term the whole thing as a trauma.
Trauma.
Okay? Any
Yeah.
trauma. Because without any trauma, you cannot embark on a new journey.
Journey.
Like 10th वाला एग्जाम एक
Yeah.
ट्रॉमा होता है. उसके बाद जो भी सारे आप एग्जाम दे दो, जो भी सारे इंटरव्यूज दे दो, जो कुछ भी करो, वो वाला एग्जाम आपको सारा लाइफ याद रहता है. क्योंकि उसके बाद एक नया वाला जानी शुरू होता है. वो जो पहला वाला स्कूल जो क्या बोलते हैं प्ले हाउस वाला, वहाँ पे भी एक छोटा सा इंटरव्यू लिया जाता है कि टेल मी समथिंग अबाउट योरसेल्फ. पेरेंट्स प्रिपेयर देयर चाइल्ड. हम लोगों के टाइम में वो सब नहीं था.
Right.
फिर भी टू फेस दैट अननोन, same, you getting out, you are starting to face something unknown. You were well comfortable inside,
Yeah.
though everything was closed.
Yeah.
That is your comfort zone. The moment you get out of your comfort zone, you face that trauma.
Yeah.
And every kind of regular thing, I won't say those are the stresses, those are the bad things.
Yeah.
Those are the incidents you face to face those traumas. Your mind tells these are the traumas that shapes you. that shapes your new journey.
Wow.
Right? That's it.
Wow, I loved it. जो आपने बोला अभी सुनकर बहुत अच्छा लगा. So now I have a question for you. So I'm gonna start off by asking you, what is Reiki?
Okay.
Yeah.
Since आप है professional related के,
So obviously आपको knowledge होगी. It's a,
If you say Reiki,
yeah.
what comes to your mind?
For me, to be honest, Reiki is just a word because I have zero idea about it.
Okay.
Yeah,
You're just curious to know what Reiki is.
exactly.
Whether to eat that or use that or put that on the head, something like that. Or you want to know the secrets of Reiki.
I think
Because that's
I
the
want
question
to know.
when you ask any question.
Yeah, because like here's the thing, I have zero knowledge about Reiki,
Okay.
so I want to know the.
basic of Reiki.
Okay. So I'm
Exactly.
telling you, if you are curious about Reiki, so for you, Reiki, I can break into just two parts.
Yeah.
Rei means universal, Ki or Chi means energy.
Universal.
So Reiki is basically the universal energy which
Yeah.
is flowing all around us, all through us. As a Reiki professional, we just
Yeah.
channel that energy through our hand or body or mind through the client.
Okay.
And people say the Reiki people heal other people, which is a complete lie. We are never healing any single person. Through this or any kind of energy thing, we are never healing anybody. We are creating a healing frequency. We are healing us. We are just taking them up to that frequency. We ask them to heal. Now it's up to them whether they want to heal or they want to.
So
Okay.
it's also about accepting the energy of
Obviously, it's not even accepting. It's about manifesting for these people whether they want to heal. They
Exactly.
want something.
right.
If they want something, that is their healing.
Right.
I am just trying to create the healing place, healing frequency, taking them up, asking them to accept or align or acknowledge.
Okay.
The rest, their body gonna do it.
All right. So there is other question I have related to Reiki. Like you said that Reiki जो है वो आपकी frequency को ऊपर करने के लिए होता है, आपके energy को heal करने के लिए होता है. But there are some people who can also misuse that energy. So क्या Reiki का use करके लोग उसका misuse भी कर सकते हैं?
करते हैं ना? They do. I have seen people sitting in a train and or sitting in a middle seat of the in the jeep and they are moving their hands like that. Many people, what the fuck that lady is doing, and after some time I see them getting the window seat. These are the very basic of the things people do. Very basic things. I just need a window seat. That's why I'm using the universal energy. That person who is sitting by the window, they will be compelled to give you the seat.
Whoa.
So it can be mind compulsion at some point.
So
Obviously, that person also paying that attention.
Yeah.
Right? If I don't want to leave, I have paid for this fucking seat. I'm not going to leave it.
Right.
Whatever the thing you can do.
Right.
If I'm too much anxious about what this lady is doing, after some time I will be attuned to his frequency and compelled to do that.
Right. True.
very true. So like, can you
But it's
give?
not a black magic kind of thing.
Oh.
That is something I'm gonna. Maybe that is the question we were going to ask.
Yeah.
But the fact is, Reiki is something you cannot apply on somebody who is not willing to take. One lady called me, my daughter, she's in relationship with this vagabond who is never going to accept her.
Yeah.
Ghumaiga. But my girl is not ready to understand this. Allow the Reiki energy. I told her, sorry, because she's not willing to leave this boy right now.
Yeah.
So after 3 months, that girl actually was heartbroken because she had seen that boy kissing somebody else, and that time she agreed, and now she's married. So that's what happens.
Yeah.
The moment they only allow, then only it's working. That's it. It's the manifestation of those people, no?
Obviously.
That's it.
That's it.
Moving forward, something that is I want to go forward with is ki what are chakras? Because chakras बहुत common topic बन गया है, but there is no proper like the proper knowledge of chakras is not being conveyed properly. Right. So I would like to know what are chakras and like we have different sort of meditations for each chakra. Why so?
And that's
And how many types are there? Kitna hai? Kya hai? How to activate them? How they're helping us? I would like to know. Let's go deep into
first of all, let me talk about the chakra thing.
it. Yes.
Basically, chakras, there is nothing called chakras,
Okay.
right?
Okay.
We're just visualizing some power points inside our bodies.
So there is
Where-
PowerPoint.
Yes, power points. Not exactly. I am thinking of like Sangam or Prayag. What is a Prayag? Where two nadis are mixing with each other and we give them some historical or maybe spiritual importance.
Right.
Why? Because if you go there, you feel that high splurge of energy,
Yeah.
right? Similar happening inside our body, where throughout our spinal cord, through those points where all the nerves, a bunch of nerve is getting out. Also, you have some endocrine glands.
Right.
Also, you have the blood clots,
Correct.
where you have the lymphatic nodes. All this happening at 7 points inside our body.
Okay.
Okay?
Yes.
So, that first point, suppose I'm talking about over here. Here, some nerves are getting out, some blood clots are meeting. Also, some endocrine glands are over here or over here.
Right.
Okay? All of this point, if somehow they get excited,
Right.
what happens? All of these three gets agitated or excited.
Right.
What happens? The nerves are more active there.
Right.
The blood flowing in more full throttle.
Right.
Also, the glands are secreting hormones.
Right.
Imbalance, everything happening wrong. You start getting mental issues, you start getting physical issues just because of that. All those three, we are just creating some name, some chakras.
Right.
Those are the chakras.
Right.
Yes.
Can we name some chakras?
Obviously, it's your root at your tail.
Yes.
Above that is our sacral on our lower abdomen.
Yes.
Over there, it's like it deals with your creativity along with your reproductive organs and all those hormones. So you
The
have
root
problem
chakra.
with that? No, just above the root, the sacral I'm talking.
Okay.
The moment you have problem with that, automatically your reproductive actions, which actually is also creativity, that gets hampered.
Okay.
Right? Come above, this is the sacral.
Right.
Over here you have the trouble. This is where we were connected to our moms, even after our birth also.
Okay.
Everything came through this one. All our energies came through this one.
Okay.
So any kind of problem over here, we feel the problem with the energy. Also thinking other ways, all the energies now we get from our food.
Right.
So this is directly proportionated or to the communication of our digestive glands or the hormones that work with our digestion.
And like sacral is related to creativity.
Sacral. Yes.
Yeah. What is the
This is with our energy.
okay?
This is with our emotions. This is with our true self or the truth that we are talking to us.
Okay.
Not whether you are telling the lie to other people. It's
Right.
not the truth thing. But if you know that yes, I'm telling the truth or telling the lie to this person to achieve my dream, you are actually telling truth.
Okay.
Sometimes telling truth is something like that. I can give you a very odd and very kind of analogy. Sorry for that one. Suppose tomorrow is your exam,
Acha.
okay? And you have not studied anything
Right.
whole year.
Right.
What happens? Particularly for us engineers. Now you can think one thing. All is well.
Right.
And go over there tomorrow, find no questions common, and actually, fuck all is well. Actually, I'm going to fail the exam.
Right.
Rather, if you say the last day, I have not studied anything, I'm gonna fail tomorrow, make some cheat notes.
Yeah.
if you don't get caught, you are going to pass. You are being true to yourself.
Right.
So automatically, if you are in a stress position any of the time, just accept rather than
Acceptance.
telling all is well, nothing is well. We are constantly in deep shits, one after another. Just accept your body is going to produce those stress hormones, which is going to give you that energy to find some way out. Be that good or bad, you're gonna go through the situation. That's what acceptance is.
Right.
This is with our intuition,
Intuition.
and this is with the connection to the superconscious. So everything, if I want to find a pattern, everything is a communication. The first one is a communication. The root is the communication with the Mother Earth.
Right.
Second one is the communication with our productivity. Third one with our energy. Fourth one is a connection with our emotion. This one is with our own truth, not the regular truth. This one is with our intuition, and this one is our super consciousness. All are communication modes. How you are communicating. That's what chakras are all about in a nutshell.
In a nutshell.
So, whenever we go through situations or traumas,
Right.
all of these chakras have an original frequencies which they start to differ. Because we say all is well. When the situation comes, it gets like रास्ता खो गया यार कुछ तो
अभी
रास्ता
सबसे बड़ा बात यह है कि ये जो हम करते हैं ना, सबसे बड़ा प्रॉब्लम होता है चक्रस को। वो सोचते हैं ये वाला सिचुएशन हम कैसे हैंडल करें, एंड दे स्टार्ट टू गो बिकॉज वी आर एजिटेटेड, they
Right.
start to go and tune into different frequencies. That's how the blockages come. Blockages are basically they are tuned to something other than their own frequencies. So balancing is something where you try to take them back to their original frequencies.
Got it.
Right?
Got it.
Now,
Yeah. Please.
one more thing about this chakra balancing thing is, सपोज बच्चा थोड़ा सा बिगड़ा हुआ है, आप बोलोगे वो सुधर जाएगा। एक दिन ही सिगरेट पिया है, आप बोलोगे एक झापर, जो सबसे बेहतर वाला चक्र बैलेंसिंग पॉलिसी था बिफोर द एज ऑफ 15 और 16, वो ये था, ऑटोमेटिकली इट कुड ट्यून ऑल आवर चक्रस इन वन शॉट मोस्ट ऑफ द टाइम्स, राइट। अभी वो दोगे एक सिगरेट पीने वाला बच्चा जिंदगी में कभी एटलीस्ट 22-23 साल होने से पहले पकड़ेगा नहीं, छुएगा नहीं। पर जिसने बहुत सारा पी लिया उसको आपको रिहैब में जब भेजना पड़ता है सिगरेट छोड़ने के लिए, तब वो गो थ्रू करता है एक ट्रॉमा। सो ऑटोमेटिकली व्हेन द चक्रस ट्यूनिंग, if they are tuned to some other frequencies, if that is too much far, they have to go through a lot of traumas. That is why healing is never a very feel good kind of activity.
Yes.
It often gives you that much pain to go through.
I think
It's
this is
like
the.
the operation, they
Yeah.
cut you, you gonna bleed, then
Yeah.
only you gonna get well.
I think this is the biggest अभी जो सबसे बड़ा मिथ चल रहा है ऑन अ सोशल मीडिया इज कि हीलिंग इज अ वेरी इजी जॉब, बिकॉज पीपल हैव प्रेजेंटेड इट दिस वे कि हम लोग मतलब दिस इज एग्जैक्टली व्हाट आई वांटेड, it's just
People
very
suppose
looking.
go to sound healing also, they do, and everybody
Yeah.
feels so good.
Yeah,
That is not sound healing. That thing is called sound bath,
yeah,
where you give them some good frequency
right,
to tune to.
right,
आप जितना भी स्ट्रेस में हो, ऑफिस में हो, कॉलेज में हो, आप फ्राइडे नाइट को जाकर झूम सकते हो। वो झूमने वाला टाइम है, नेक्स्ट सवेरे उठ के फिर से आपको रोना ही पड़ेगा।
हाँ,
That's what sound bath is. Sound healing जो originally है, that sometimes you going to feel choked, sometimes you gonna feel the pain over here, sometimes people can't bear, they just go out, they say me namaste, I can't take it anymore, I'm leaving.
okay,
Okay, many of the schools they're offering, many of the times you will feel people are just crying. After the session is finished, they're just going to their room. They're not even rejoicing with the people that I really like this session.
yeah,
Whoever doing, be it the normal sound bath also can give them that one. वो वाला टाइम के बाद जो रहेगा, भाई मेरे यहाँ पे प्रॉब्लम हुआ तो फिर मैं वो वाला बोल को ले जाके वहां पे जाके उसको और भी पेन दूंगा ताकि इट कम्स बैक, बिकॉज दैट इज ओनली अ वे टू फाइंड आउट वेयर द ब्लडी प्रॉब्लम इज.
Right.
That's the body telling me I have problem over here.
Right.
Right? That's how any kind of healing works. When I am doing this Reiki energy, Reiki, many people say it you originally feel good. Actually, you feel good after the whole thing works. Throughout the working, you never feel good. Or you might feel good if it is just easily doing thing.
Okay.
It's like that.
I've had that is what I was trying to go to. That social media pe they've showed healing as something. If the social media has disturbed all the, it has created a lot of misconceptions. Ki healing is easy.
None of
Healing
them
is going, yeah.
None of them are misconception.
They-
are just perception. Always choose your words wisely, because the moment you are saying misconception, you are going to, I go to your word of law of attraction. Anything you start in that negative note, that is going to give you those misconception videos.
Okay.
Rather look at people's perception, because they want to see that thing.
Right.
Whatever things you check, you get those in your feeds.
Right. Right.
That's how artificial intelligence, their algorithm also designed in that way. They have the psychologists just for those things.
Wow.
They want you to think about something so that they can figure out what to feel in your feeds.
Okay.
Some of the people, if you want to go into Kundalini,
Ha.
you will see people moving hands and people are shaking and doing all those things. That's not Kundalini healing. There might be a little bit of twitching and all those things that we all get during our sleep. हम सोते भी है कभी कभी ऐसे करते हैं हम.
Twist
Those
करते
are
हैं.
basically nothings. All our actions and results, that means the nerve ends and the nerve starts. They are entangled like that, and there are some electrolytes over there. जिसमें प्रॉब्लम होता है, जिसके लिए ही हम इलेक्ट्रोलाइट खाते हैं गर्मी में. राइट वो वाला जो चीज है वहां पे अगर कम हो जाता है ना, नॉर्मल सोडियम बोलो, क्लोरीन बोलो, जो भी पॉजिटिव और नेगेटिव आयंस है, यू गेट दैट ट्विचिंग थिंग. जब भी कोई वो लगे आप नमक वाला पानी पियो, खत्म हो जाएगा किस्सा. बट व्हेन वी सेंड एनर्जी थ्रू योर बॉडी, when all your kundalini, particularly your chakras, are aligned, when I'm sending an energy through your body, the energy will be so high through that one. Sometimes you send high voltage through little wires, they do the short circuit, the sparking, even
Yeah.
if there is a gap. That is what those twitching are for. So people get that. Those are trained actors. Sometimes even before they start moving their hands, they start to shake. Right? This kind of things happen. Basically, if you can shake your body like that, that is where your Kundalini journey is beginning.
I would like to pause you a
Kundalini
little.
yoga.
I would first हम पहले थोड़ा सा I would like to know a little more about Kundalini, because as much as the rough picture of what I have about Kundalini is aligning all your chakras.
Okay.
What Kundalini is going to, how Kundalini helps you, because there's a lot of misconception as well. ये भी एक मतलब एक लोग ये भी समझते हैं कि कुंडलिनी जिनका अलाइंड है वो लोग तो बंदा इधर से उठा के उधर खड़ा कर सकते हैं. I don't know how valid and how true it is. You're the teacher, so I would like to know कि कुंडलिनी एक ट्रू फॉर्म, ट्रू सेंस में क्या है, एंड कितना how much part of it is true कि if all your chakras are aligned, if all your kundalini is aligned, you can actually take the person मतलब with your thoughts you can get them.
कुछ भी अलाइन होने वाला बात नहीं है.
अच्छा.
Okay. अभी ये जो चक्रास है, they stay along your spinal cord.
Right.
So automatically they are in a line.
Right.
Right?
Right.
बस आपको ये सारे को अपने अपनी ट्यून में लाना है. Automatically when you keep them in a tune, you become a channel, a free flow channel. जैसे हम लोगों का टट्टी वाला लाइन होता है, कभी कभी हम पाउडर डाल के उसको साफ करते हैं. That is what you do with the alignment or the balancing. My analogies are so bad. Just excuse me
it's-
for
it's-
that.
it's
But
good.
basically उसके बाद आप फ्लश करोगे तो फिर टट्टी पूरा जाएगा.
Right.
नहीं तो आपको बाल्टी भर के ही जितना बार भी आप फ्लश करो आपको बाल्टी भर के ही डालना पड़ेगा पानी.
True.
So that's the use of a healer.
True.
Right.
True.
So
This one was good. No, it's going to be interesting.
the fact is the moment your line is that much, you can channel the energy through you. So that's what the Kundalini Yoga training does. It make you aligned. Your pipe is clean. So अभी आप फ्लश करोगे तो टट्टी जाएगा. ठीक है, तो फिर यही से आपका जर्नी शुरू होता है. हाउ यू चैनल अप दैट एनर्जी विच इज सेड टू बी स्लीपिंग ओवर हियर, हाउ आई कैन टेक इट अप ओवर हियर एंड देन फ्लो ऑल ओवर आवर बॉडीज. व्हाई? पूछो क्यों? क्योंकि हमें अपना और अपने 10 बॉडीज का बैलेंस करना है. Now what is 10 bodies?
Yeah, I had that question. What is 10
Right.
bodies?
We all have 10 bodies. Out of that, only one which see. That is our physical body. That is one body.
Okay.
We have 3 mind bodies.
Okay.
You have heard about the Satya, Rajas, Tamas,
Yeah.
right?
Yeah.
I'm just giving you a little bit of westernization of that one.
Okay.
Now I can tell them Satya means the neutral,
Right.
the balance, the sattvic food.
Right.
Rajesh means the positive. Anything you see, I am gonna get that. The iPhone 15 Pro is there. I'm gonna get that one also. Whether I have the 14 Pro or even the 15.
Right.
The moment you get imbalance in your positive mind on the Rajesh, automatically I am the only one eligible to get that one. If any of my friend get that, I get agitated. I am the only one to get the car in my family or in my neighborhood.
Right.
Now there comes the negative mind, which is telling you everything is so very risky, don't go for it. Anything happening, नया कुछ भी आ रहा है, नया रिश्ता आ रहा है, मत जाओ भाई. Somebody proposing you, don't even look in that way.
Right.
Right?
Right.
I'm getting people coming over here. I'm seeing a board over there that's I'm dealing with Tom. I'm not gonna do that. Some people gonna do that. Let's see what is this. That is the positive mind dominant, and not doing that is the negative.
Negative mind.
Imbalance. आप खुद को एक दरवाजे के पीछे बंद कर देते हो. धीरे धीरे आप घर वालों से भी बात नहीं करते, दोस्तों पे से भी बात नहीं करते. धीरे धीरे आप ओसीडी का पेशेंट, ऑब्सेसिव कंपल्सिव डिसऑर्डर,
Right.
अल्जाइमर, सारे चीजें वहीं से चालू होते हैं.
I have a question.
Yes.
So, like,
Why one?
yeah. So, is it like Sigmund Freud's concept of ego, superego?
Actually,
Yeah.
Freud बच्चा है. He came just a few years back.
Yeah.
Even some of his theories, his own daughter totally contradicted.
Alright.
Whatever he said, like everything is a reason of lust. Everything based on the sex thing.
Yeah.
His own daughter said, my dad is totally maniac. He wants to see everything in that way.
Yeah.
So that's what the fact is. Now, if I say the whole thing over there, their clash of sex or not the sex, that I can take over here totally through my this sacral chakra and the truth.
And the truth. Right.
Okay? If I am saying true, if I'm getting attracted to one fine lady, if I can go and tell that you look good, you look sexy, I get, and she's telling me, thank you. If you go in New York, you tell you are looking sexy in that dress, they would say you, thank you so much for that. यहाँ पे अभी आप बोलोगे वो बन जाएगा if teasing. Now that is the basic reason of raping a people.
Yeah.
बिकॉज हम लोगों का वो वाला जो इच्छा आता है, जो वो वाला चीज आता है, घर में भी नहीं मिलता है, बाहर में भी नहीं मिलता है.
Okay.
तो फिर वो जो डोमिनेटेड इच्छा है, वो जहाँ पे मेरा एनर्जी उससे ज्यादा है, वहां पे तो निकल आएगा ही.
Okay.
So that's the social seasoning of us that's making us do that.
Right.
Because we're not getting true to us. We can't go and tell that you are looking attractive. I'm feeling like I feel like doing something else in my toilet looking at you. If I
Right.
can say that to that person and she becomes okay. Because I have done a lot of gymming and I'm wearing a sexy outfit just to get that compliment from the boys. or some people or random people. That's why I'm wearing that thing in public. Suppose if she is getting happy with that, both sides is actually neutral.
Right.
You're right. That not happening, people having problem over here in their sexual lives. Automatically, if you say chakra wise, if I now come to the hormone wise issue, the moment you have problem over here, you start having your thyroid problem because this is the thyroid gland for the endocrine gland. The people having the thyroid problem, they start to have the PCOD, the polycystic ovary. That's in over here. Right. So actually, Freud, his daughter are just both side of coin, nothing else. And I'm talking about 3000 old psychology, the Vedic psychology. This one is the Western psychology.
Right.
Because if I take the whole thing of Western and Indian thing, you say about this thing Western that goes to the medicine,
Right.
which links directly to illness. Whereas our Indian society and everything, they work with the Ayurveda, which
Yeah.
means the science of life. That is illness, that is dealing only with that, and here we are working with the essence of the life. Right? So over here, if you tell me what was your question again regarding the Freud?
Like I was asking, you were saying something about Rajas Sama.
Yes.
Rajas, tamas, and
Yeah.
Right.
yeah.
Exactly.
So the fact is basically all the time we are getting a conflict of whether to apply or not to apply.
Yeah.
That's where our neutral mind comes. And the Ayurvedic psychology tells us, and that's how normally our mind also works.
Right.
Okay, we always try to think in both ways first. Then we go for the positive. अगर ये करते हैं तो मुझे क्या क्या होगा, फिर हम सोचते हैं नेगेटिव वाला, ये नहीं करते हैं तो क्या क्या होगा.
Right.
Now, if you go directly through the whole thing into the yoga, suppose I'm just giving you out of the context, you took the knowledge thing or asked me the question.
Yeah.
Suppose there when you guys both have seen the yoga sequences, even the sun salutation thing, right?
Yeah.
So there is one thing called the Chaturanga. After that, the next pose is the Cobra pose.
Yes.
Then the Parvatasana.
Yes.
Right? One, this is where I'm balancing the Chaturanga. So that becomes the Satya,
Satya.
which tells us the same Ayurvedic psychology thing. First, it try to balance it. Then it goes outside, the Cobra pose, which is going to grab something. That means the positive side. Then is going the Parvatasana, where actually you are needed to look at your navel. You are looking into yourself. You are going inside. So the Tamas. That's why particularly when they designed, if anybody teaching, nobody is teaching that thing. I found it a little bit like, why did this happen? I found this one and I'm applying while I'm teaching the yoga thing. That psychology part. This is why particularly this thing is incorporated between every of the Ashtanga Yoga Asana.
Yeah.
The vinyasa such. Why the vinyasa? Because I need to put that psychological part between every of the sequences. Balance, positive, negative. Then and then only you can take the proper and the right decision in your life. That's it. Then comes our 6 energy bodies.
Yes.
4 done, 1 and 3 mind body. Then the 5, next 6. 1 is the soul body. I'm not going too deep into that one, those are like gonna take so much. 1 is our soul body, which takes a new body
Right.
after we are died. Next is our arc line body, जो आपका पीछे में होता है. कभी लगा होगा कहीं पर बैठे हैं, खा पी रहे हैं, कोई पीछे से झाड़ी मार रहा है, वो वाला चीज होता है, वो आर्क लाइन बॉडी. जो जितना एनर्जाइज होगा, हमारे पीठ पीछे क्या चल रहा है आपको समझ में आएगा.
Is it like
It's a sixth sense.
a sixth sense, right? Because like agar usually it happens with me. I don't know how much it's valid or not. If I'm talking
It's
to
valid.
somebody,
It's valid. That's right.
if I'm
That
talking
is your
to
that sense.
Yeah.
Which you talk or you do, you sense something.
yeah, I
That's
sense
your
it.
arc.
I sense it.
Next comes your prana body or the pranic body that you breathe in or breathe out. That makes an airy substance just above your skin.
Right.
People say, what the fuck you are talking about? I'm just gonna say one thing. Mosquito sense your pranic body better than anything.
Okay.
आप
And
ब्रीथ
हम-
कर रहे हो, आपका स्किन ब्रीथ कर रहे हैं, वो उसको ढूंढ के ही आता है. आप बस कुछ भी लगा लो यहाँ पे, they are not getting that pranic body out of yourself, they don't come to you and bite you.
Okay.
Right?
तभी probably dead bodies पे कभी
नहीं आता.
mosquitoes नहीं आएंगे.
Right? Because even when your physical body is dying, your pranic body leaves your body 5 or like around 10 to 12 minutes prior to that.
So when you're dying,
After you stop breathing, after कुछ टाइम के बाद आपका actual death होता है.
okay.
Then comes your aura body. Now your aura body is the one, the electromagnetic field that you create. The more you become energetic, it can reach up to 9 meters surrounding you.
Wow.
It can work like an radar. जहाँ पे आप आंख बंद करके बैठा हुआ हो, आपको पता चलेगा यहाँ से कोई पैदल जा रहा है. नाइट विजन कैमरा में जैसे मूवी में दिखाता है वैसे टाइप का, और प्रीडेटर मूवी में जैसा प्रीडेटर को दिखता है. That's what. That's the EMF.
Okay.
That's basically, that is the idea they incorporated in the field over there. They're reading the aura of the people
Right.
and they're killing.
Right.
Okay, so the more powerful, they're dying first.
Okay.
Okay. Now next comes the subtle body. अभी subtle body ये होता है जहाँ पे आप कोई भी सिचुएशन में गिर चुके हो, जहाँ से आपको निकलना पड़ेगा. समझ गया? तो आप कहीं पे गए हो जहाँ पे आपको उसका लैंग्वेज भी पता नहीं है. Suddenly something clicks into your mind, you open up your phone, you open up the, what do you say?
Google Translator.
Right. That's your subtle energy working over there. और कोई भी ग्रुप में कोई भी एक ग्रुप जा रहा है, वहाँ पे एक बंदा है, भैया मेरे वाला ये में प्रॉब्लम हो गया, भैया इसमें प्रॉब्लम हो गया, सारे लोग उसके पास जा रहा है. So he is said to have the highest subtle energy in the whole pack. Right.
Right.
The more we energize this one, the more we can get through any kind of situation. And the last but not the least is called our radiant body. Now radiant body is the one which shows your charisma. Suppose you go in a party, if 10 boys are coming to you, then I would say your charisma is more, your radiant body is working. Now suppose you have done the 30 layers of makeup, wearing whatever kind of dress, the highest one you have ever imagined, that you are wearing only 2 or 3 लच्चे लपंगे आके बात कर रहा है, तो फिर आई एम गोना टेल योर एनर्जी बॉडी और द रेडियंट बॉडी इज लोअर. रादर देन वहाँ पे एक बंदा कुछ भी नहीं करके जस्ट बोगस बात कर रही है, एक लड़की, सारे बंदा उसको बैठे हुआ है. So that person's energy or the radiant body is the highest. It's the halo kind of thing. A guru has that, so that because they have the answer, everybody comes to them.
Right.
So now कुंडलिनी जो एनर्जी हमने की है, उससे ये सारे बॉडीज को हम एनर्जाइज करेंगे, और जब काम हो जाएगा ना, तब अच्छे से बोलेंगे भाई सो जा. Those energy bodies are like the sleeping beauties. I don't need them to work all the time because that's gonna drain our energy. So Kundalini Yoga is not only getting up your energy, but to get control of energy so that that doesn't become your boss.
Okay. Wow.
Working with them, whenever the job is done, buddy, go back to like sleep right now.
Shavasana.
It's finished.
Finished. Back up.
So that's it. Kundalini Yoga is basically in a nutshell, is all about.
That's amazing.
Is there any
Shift
question
करते
that you specifically want to ask related to law of attraction?
What we are speaking, are we manifesting, are we attracting that?
Obviously, you
since
both
just
are
said
manifesting something. But I can actually ask you one more thing or tell you one thing, very easy thing to tell, is that basically law of attraction, as an engineer, I'm a laziest person and I want to find a pattern in everything, because once you find the pattern, you get the answers so easily.
Yeah.
Giving bullshit analogies like that. But the fact is, law of attraction is what? Whatever we vibrate inside our mind,
Yeah.
whatever we think about, that comes to us. That comes to our feed. Our everyday life is like our timeline.
Yeah.
So what we vibrate, what we search in something else, that comes.
All right. So, like, I feel like I want to ask you one thing. You're saying that what we think about, it comes to us, right? So, my question is, does the law of attraction,
Exactly.
yeah,
So चलेगा? Is it similar to manifestation? Because that is exactly how manifestation is also working.
No,
No.
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 Okay.
So basically, I want to ask you one thing. So the law of attraction, is it about thinking only? Like, because I have read so many things about it and so many texts about it, and most of the texts they say one thing, that in thinking is not enough. You have to work towards what you want, and then only you can get what you want. That's the thing.
Okay. Now let me
Yeah.
tell you one thing. There are 3 steps actually. Number 1 is the idea,
Yeah.
right? There you are not working with that, but you are creating an initiation. You are initiating the whole thing.
Yeah.
Then comes the manifestation,
Yeah.
where you constantly and positively talk about or do about that thing that creates the vibration inside your mind. That is the manifestation part.
Yeah.
I am telling myself that every day 10 bloody people are coming for the sound healing. Then I hire this bloody person over here, come make a reel. If I just think about this, nothing gonna happen. I need to work on that. I need to learn constantly how to make my things better. Also, I need to take help from somebody if they're better doing, like posting the whole thing out over there so that people know about me.
Yeah.
So that's the working. Then and then only the whole thing is going to happen.
Exactly.
So can we retake this and talk in between? So I feel like walking issue.
प्रॉब्लम है वो उसने काफ किया
हाँ तो थोड़ा सा
और क्या है दैट्स नेचुरल है ना
कॉन्शियस माइंड बहुत ज्यादा हो रहा है टेंशन में रहता है
Okay.
सो मेन चीज ये होता है मैनिफेस्टेशन जो हमको ये करना है ऑटोमेटिकली दैट थिंग्स बिकॉज आई एम क्रिएटिंग the whole environment. I am also setting that higher healing frequency for myself.
Exactly.
Then if I am doing that, that is for the like those clients whether they want to do that or not.
Yeah.
See the same pattern for everything. The whole energy, whole vibration actually. If you say, if I want to close up or wrap up the whole thing, whatever question you have said until now or ask me, one thing actually concludes all of them.
Yeah.
And you know what is that? Vibration is such thing where you need to initiate, you need to manifest, and you need to work it on.
Yeah.
You need to take it up and act on that thing. Then and then only that vibration can get inside you or in that person's body or mind or soul. Then that's gonna reflect in their real life. Same for the goat, dog, whatever thing. आप डॉग देखोगे अच्छा लगेगा पर आपने उसको खाना नहीं दिया तो फिर वो आपको देखकर दुम हिला के ही उसके बाद चला जाएगा। अगर आप उसको खाना देते हो, पैट करते हो, पेट करते हो तो फिर अगला दिन से कोई भी दूसरा बंदा कोई आपको करेगा तो भाई इसने मुझे बिस्कुट पिलाया है, खिलाया है, भाई इसके लिए तो जान दे देंगे। सेम विथ व्हाट वी डू विद गॉड।
And see,
भाई एक बार हमने आपको प्रसाद चढ़ाया, ये कर दिया, आप एक बार मुझे दोगे तो फिर कल से फिर से करेंगे। We are the dogs in their hand. This is the same.
right. Is it why we always like, how should I put this? Offering.
Offer. Now you go back to the old thing. Everything is an exchange.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's
If you
what-
go back 4,000, 5,000 years back when all these mantras chanting, nothing happened, then and then only there was the Yajna. The Yajna is an energy exchange. I give something
And
for the judgment. I am the Brahmin. What is a Brahmin? Who can expand their mind,
Right.
who can expand the whole thing. So a Brahmin is doing basically taking up the frequency up.
Right.
Judgment is offering something in the fire. God or the universe is going to give them in return. That's an exchange method.
Right.
पैसों का खेल है।
I think हाँ वही I think सब सारी चीजों में ये चीज हो रही है. We have to pay for
Exchange
something.
हो रहा है।
It's energy exchange.
Exactly.
But basically the actual way of doing this is not I'm giving so give that.
Basically, rather, that giving should be on yourself, like she said.
Yeah.
Then that side actually knows what is needed for you, what is best suitable for you. The energy gonna come. If it doesn't come, then it's not meant for you. It's not good for you. Good enough for you, rather.
Okay. Okay.
So that's it.
I would like to ask
Any more question?
about this question. We say, you know, this is a scientific term. We say opposites attract. Do you think it's true? Do you think it's spiritually? Is it still true? Is it still valid?
You tell me the definition of opposite first.
See, usually हमें relationship में बहुत terminology हम डालते हैं whenever we are going. See, this is like a common thing right now. Psychologically, I was listening to a podcast and this question was brought up, and I wanted to ask you because we are getting into it. Psychologically, we have that mindset. हम लोग गलत इंसान, the bad boy theory, we go for it, and the same with the boys. We make that bad partner choices, and then we name it at
Opposites
to
attract. But basically, that whole thing is the social conditioning of the whole thing.
Yeah.
Basically, opposites does not attract.
Very good.
Yeah.
Opposite does not attract. If opposite was attracting, then we should first fall in a love or feel sexually highly attracted towards the monkeys. Not a lady. How can you tell a lady is our opposite or good is just the opposite of bad? How can you tell that? First tell me that. Good is only the mirror of the bad.
Exactly.
A lady is only a mirror of the male. The Prakriti is only the reflection of the Purush. Right? That's what the whole thing is. Actually, if you say we get attracted to our mirrors, what we can't do, our secret admirations, that is what we get attracted to. Nothing else.
So
If you
basically-
stand in front of the mirror, you can feel I'm touching my hand, so my left hand is touching the right hand of my mirror.
Yeah.
It's still the right hand. I'm never touching the left hand of the, or the right hand of that person, right? Of my reflection.
I love the example you have took, so I want to add to it. Is it like, so is it that there was a phase in my life, I'll be more open about it. There was a phase in my life where when I'm 17, I used to think I don't need a relationship, I don't need anything like that. And eventually it was exactly that time I was like, I'm going to get away from this, I want to get away from this, and there was a lot of insecurities inside me.
Yeah.
And I eventually happened to get into a relationship which is extremely toxic. Now, was that a mirror reflection of exactly what I wanted?
Yes.
Okay.
Because the moment you don't want a relationship, you become bad for relationship yourself. You become toxic for a relationship. So you attracted somebody who's so toxic in the relationship. Right?
So basically,
How can you tell that I'm so good a person that I don't need any relationship? The moment you are telling I don't want a
it
relationship,
was more of the
look
sense
from
that-
the side from a relationship.
Okay.
ये लड़की मुझे नहीं चाहता है तो फिर ये तो मेरे लिए. For the relationship you become the toxic one. So what else you can expect?
Wasn't expecting that answer. Wasn't expecting that answer.
Obviously, that's what the whole thing. We are not expecting the unexpected thing. That is why the unexpected is finding
Finding
us.
us. this is how Moshe going to put this on.
Now, I have one last question for you. That is, there are people who are like young adults, they're like around 18, 19, 20 years old. So, like, you know, they are struggling in their life, they're trying to figure out the meaning of the life, what is right for them and what is not right for them, you know. So, what message do you have for them? That's the question.
I don't have any message actually. If you ask me to tell you the truth, I don't have any message. They're not actually finding anything. They're just exploring. Let them explore. एक्सप्लोर करने पर अगर दर्द मिलता है, दर्द मिलने दो. एटलीस्ट उन लोगों को तो भाई मजा आ जाएगा, भाई ये हमने किया उसीलिए ये दर्द मिला यार, उसमें मजा है, क्यों उसको बताए. अगर हम बोले वो अप्लाई कर रहे हैं, उसमें उसका काम नहीं बनता है, तो फिर वो बस एक ही चीज सोचता रहेगा पूरा जिंदगी भर के, आई ट्राई टू गो थ्रू समबडीज पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू विच डिड नॉट वर्क फॉर मी. राइट ना. हर एक बंदे को भाई खुद बनो और कुछ नहीं. जस्ट बी योर सेल्फ. ट्राई एनीथिंग, वट एवर कम्स टू योर माइंड. इफ यू वॉन्ट टू स्लीप विथ 10 गर्ल्स, जस्ट डू दैट. If you feel the happiness in that one, do have that happiness. If you feel like पिटाई मिलता है, तो फिर उस पिटाई में भी मजा है. Why? Because you feel that heroism in that one, that I have got the fun with 10 girls and I'm getting the beating out of that.
Yeah.
Right?
So if you're saying that if it's people who are getting into smoking, they're getting sex addicted, they're getting drunk, they're getting into drugs, let them.
Let them. Let them. At least they're having fun. Rest of the people who are not doing that, then what the fuck they're doing? They're studying and later they're studying. Like, see, I am the person who studied in a topmost kind of university and I have never tried cigarette in my whole bloody college life. And later I had the shisha bar in my own home. So what the fuck did I do? I've just done the same thing just after. When I'm doing the work, they're at least having fun in their early age. Let them have the fun. Let them find the knowledge in the fun. जो सीखेगा फन वाला टाइम पे, और अगर ये फन नहीं है वो भी उसको ही रियलाइज करेंगे.
So
They are the one who is going to define what's good for them, what's bad for them. If I tell, like बहु विवाह जिसको बोलते हैं ना, many marriages or many relationship is not a good thing. Who am I to define that? If those girls are well settled with that one, that boy can at the same time in the same room he can stay with 4 girls. If the 4 girls are happy, he can make them happy. Then who the fuck I am or you are to put the norms on them? हम महात्मा गांधी को कुछ बोले थे क्या? हम कृष्ण जी को कुछ बोले थे?
नहीं.
वो बन गया साधु और ये बेचारा प्ले बॉय.
but like I believe
Conflicting हो जाएगा.
ये थोड़ा conflicting हो जाएगा.
Conflict ही तो होना चाहिए. But that is my question. These people, if you ask about the message,
Yeah.
let them find the conflicts. Never direct them towards some road.
Yeah.
Let them hit. Let them get the hit. The earlier they get hit, the earlier they get the trauma, the earlier they go into the path of the hit. सही है ना?
Perfect. Because I can relate to it.
ठीक है. बेंगोली में एक टर्म है, पढ़े चले परमानंद, जो तो उच्छलने जाए तो आनंद.
Right.
दूसरों का बच्चा वही है, जितना बिगड़ना चाहता है बिगड़ने दो.
Right.
जब पहुंचेगा वो वाला लेवल पे खुद ब खुद ठीक हो जाएगा.
And I think that is how everybody is going to, मतलब अपना spiritual journey तभी start.
अब मैसेज में देखो, आप फेसबुक खोलो, हर एक को कुछ ना कुछ कमेंट देना पड़ रहा है.
हाँ.
क्यों भाई? जिसने कुछ लिखा है उसको लिखने दो. If you think you say in your wall, don't answer to that one that I don't agree to your things. You don't agree. Who the fuck cares?
So I have one question. Like you said, जो वो करना चाहते हैं उनको करने दो. But there are certain actions जो morally बहुत गलत होते हैं.
What is
So,
morality?
morality as in जो
Human values, I think.
human values, basic human values. ऐसे तो मतलब किसी का लाइक अगर उसका मन कर रहा है बंदे का वो मर्डर करने का तो वो मर्डर भी कर देगा.
हाँ करेगा.
तो उससे हमें रोकना नहीं चाहिए.
नहीं रोकना चाहिए. अगर जो बंदा को मर्डर कर रहा है वो देख रहा है भाई उसे मुझे मार रहा है और वो सोच रहा है कि बाकी 10 बंदा आके बचाएगा उसको, तो फिर मरना चाहिए उसको. he or she should get that much empowered. That is what I should let this person also do. If somebody is trying to kill this person, rather than telling आइन अपने हाथों में, कानून अपने हाथों में मत लो, वो नहीं करना चाहिए. उसको बस आप दूसरा वाला एक चाकू पास कर दो. उसको सेल्फ डिफेंस करना भी सीखना चाहिए. If somebody attacking the second person, if you are not encouraging, just helping her, you should rather passing the knife, that I'm just passing you the rod or something, save yourself. That's what you should do.
That's why I think the
That's what this person does.
Vishnu.
हाँ जी.
He's the observer all the time. He never interferes, only unless it's so much necessary. वो क्या मतलब उखाड़ दिया रामायण में टाइम पे, वो जो राम बन के आया क्या उखाड़ा हमका, अपने बीबी को ही बचा नहीं पाया तो फिर किसका क्या उखाड़ा. कृष्णा बन के जो महाभारत के टाइम में आ गया, युद्ध तो हुआ, इतना लोग तो मर ही गया. क्या किया उसने? बस उसने एक कैटास्ट्रॉफी वाला पॉइंट में कुछ ज्ञान दिया, कुछ नॉलेज दिया, ताकि बाद वाला लोग अगर ये आप अप्लाई कर सकते हो. सेम थिंग, आई एम गिविंग यू दैट हीलिंग प्लेटफॉर्म एंड फ्रीक्वेंसी. इफ यू वांट टू हील योरसेल्फ, अप्लाई दैट. अदरवाइज गो फॉर योरसेल्फ. दैट्स व्हाट द होल थिंग शुड बी. बिलीव मी, द वर्ल्ड इज नॉट सो गुड.
Yeah, obviously it is
जो
not
बर्ड
good.
वहां पे अभी गा रहा है, हम सोच रहे इतना अच्छा, ही माइट बी जस्ट शाउटिंग ओवर देयर के भाई वो गाल दे रहा है किसी को. राइट, हम सोच रहे हैं बिकॉज वी वांट टू सी द ब्यूटीफुल साइड ऑफ द वर्ल्ड. इट्स नॉट.
Yeah.
Everybody is eating somebody. The world is damn cruel and damn bloody. You need to take the fun out of that. Also need to know how to defend yourself, how to keep going. Take na. The moment that thing comes, automatically there is no need for different companies to grow your food, different people to make you study, different companies or people to, like the priest, to tell you something, different social leaders to make the social norms over there. You just need to get the freedom inside. Whatever I feel like, I must do. If somebody gets offended, they can beat the ass out of me. And I accept that fact also. The moment हम कुछ भी कर लेंगे पर कोई मेरा कुछ नहीं बिगाड़ सकता, वो वाला बात नहीं हो रहा है यहाँ पे. वो भी जब करेगा तो वो भी मुझे एक्सेप्ट करना चाहिए.
Right.
That's it.
And then do you want to end it? I have a lot of questions. Let's go.
Oh yeah, right.
That's actually a better ending somewhere.
You started to
I want everything should end abruptly because the whole world is chaos. Right now.
let's right over there. Which one?
जो आप अच्छे कर्म करेंगे उनका आपको अच्छा फल मिलेगा, जो आप बुरे कर्म करेंगे उनका आपको बुरा फल मिलेगा. आपने बीज बोया चीकू का, उसमें से आम तो निकलेगा नहीं, सब उससे होता है. ये शरीर सिर्फ वस्त्र है, ये क्लोथ्स है, ये उतर जाएंगे. फिर जो हमारे अंदर के हम हैं वो तब भी अपने कर्मों को लेकर चलेंगे साथ. अच्छे कर्म अभी पाने हैं और ये 20 के बुरे, तो दोनों बराबर नहीं होंगे. अच्छे का अच्छा मिलेगा और बुरे का बुरा मिलेगा. वो होना ही होना है. 2000 ब्राह्मणों को खाना खिला दीजिए और एक ब्राह्मण को जाके थप्पड़ मार दीजिए, 2000 का फल तो मिलेगा अच्छा, लेकिन जो एक का फल है वो भी मिलेगा, हो सकता है 2000 से ज्यादा खतरनाक है.
आजकल दिस कमिंग जनरेशन, आई एम ऑल्सो पार्ट ऑफ इट दो, हम लोग उस स्टेटमेंट को बहुत वेस्टर्नाइज कर चुके हैं कि हम जी
कलयुग में भगवान लुप्त हो रहे हैं. लुप्त होंगे तभी तो उजागर होंगे.